it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Negroni. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Gin, I have here from St. George, Campari, Sweet Vermouth, and an orange. 4 items. It's still time, let's go grab them. Ice in a mixer glass, a rocks glass, a jigger, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, what we're going to do is cut our garnish. Pour 1 ounce of sweet vermouth into the mixer. Pour 1 ounce of Campari into the mixer. Pour 1 ounce of gin into the mixer. Grab your bar spoon, stir your drink. Add ice into your glass, pour your drink. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, Negroni cocktail. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.